just stole Shannon's camera. Shame. Yeah, you should have hid it somewhere because we're vlogging for you right now. As you can see, it's cloudy outside. Back to you at the studio.
Wait.
Okay.
Look at me.
Back to you at the studio. Hello.
Good morning. So it's about 7:30 in the morning and we've all been up since about 6 because of jet lag. And I think the plan today was to go to Wet n Wild, but it has been pouring with rain. So yeah, I don't know if that's going to happen. Kind of disappointing. Australia, what are you doing? It was supposed to be hot. Magpie! There's a magpie. Oh, and another bird. What's through there? Have we been through there?
There's a puddle.
I can see there's a puddle. Look at this. Hey, we got like mailboxes.
That's awesome.
Body corporate. There's a body in there.
Shannon.
Oh, sorry. Too slow.
We're number 72. Just says our one.
Yeah, we need the key. We're not going to get any mail though. Who's going to send us mail while we're here?
It just hit the ceiling.
Yeah, Grandma's just going to send us
the cool one, yeah.
a thing. Look, a magpie. So we've gone for a bit of a paddle and now we found a cat. Come here, get. Australian wildlife at its finest. I thought you didn't like cats.
I don't.
Come here. Meow.
If it bites me.
Yeah, puss.
Good luck, Shannon.
Right, you're just gonna sniff you.
Oh, hello. There's a beautiful kitty cat. Yeah?
I'm gonna get out and pet the cat. Meow.
There you go, Jack.
Meow.
Yeah? Yeah, I know. You not like that. Who can I put you? Can I pet you? Oh, that's good. Can I pet you? Nice.
That's like
So soft.
it's so early in the morning, but it's like not. Are you happy for that to be on the internet forever?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can show our happiness for the world. Happiness.
You look so happy.
I am. I'm the happiest person alive right now. Because I got to touch a cat. And I might get rabies, but
Rabies.
I probably already have rabies.
This just in. My brother has rabies.
I got bit by a rat in a class.
I'm concerned what's happening in his classes. So it looks like we will be going to Wet n Wild or a water park after all. So far I've just sort of been transferring all my pictures and stuff onto USBs so that my memory cards are empty.
Hello, shoppers.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. Anyway, also, we're going to do a quick bit of shopping, and I'm going to buy a new pillow because this is like a brick. It's so heavy and so like... Just, no. What are they doing? Go stop it!
They're being naughty.
Oh, Kieran, look away.
Oh my god, they are too.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, nasty. Why would they go in front of each other?
God.
Changed plans. We're putting Kieran's Sloth on the fan.
Instead of the sausage. Don't try that.
Don't try it.
Really?
Uh-oh.
Ow!
Oh no.
Mom, quick! Mom!
Okay, mate.
Ah!
Nice catch.
Handle that on one.
Let's do it on 3 and see what happens. Yeah, okay. Is it off there?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't even hit there.
You're just going slow.
What's that on now?
Sorry.
We've arrived at Wet n Wild, which is our first theme park in Australia.
It's gonna be fun. Yep.
That was very interesting.
I know, because I'm an interesting person.
Okay, I'm probably going to switch to my GoPro now.
Holy crap, that's scary.
Look at the gun.
So we're not actually allowed GoPros or anything on the ride, so Katie's gonna film this massive surfboard ride thing for me.
We're gonna hold hands. That's the face of fear. Where's the thumbs up? Jim! Look at it. Yeah! Where's Kieran? Look at him. Nice. Kieran! He's screaming like a baby. Oh, this is great. That kid's gonna puke. He's gonna puke.
How was that? My mouth is dry. Again. Let's sit down. There are all these massive crows here. Can't really see them now. It's like, oh, they are huge. I've never seen like wild birds that big. So we finished at Wet n Wild and I wasn't allowed to use my GoPro on any of the rides, so sorry there wasn't that much footage, but yes, we're all back now and are very tired, but I'm loving these shorts that I got. Hang on.
They look lovely.
I just feel like look like I'm wearing a skirt, but I feel so free, you know?
Okay.
What have you got to say? Huh?
I got to say, don't forget to wear sunblock.
Right, don't forget to wear sunblock. And Dad and Kieran are out just doing a barbecue, so I'm gonna go find them. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, I thought that was some kind of large animal.
Like a snake.
Technically you are a large...
Snake.
Are we technically...
What?
Whoa. Aren't we technically large animals though? I don't know. Oh, don't run away. I don't do running. I'm so tired from that park. Oh my god, it was just stairs and stairs and stairs all day and carrying like heavy, like, what are they called? Like tube things so that we can go on the tube rides. Oh my god, I just want to collapse. Anyway, here's our barbecue by the pool. Nice, nice.
Don't video the burnt meat patties.
The what, Dad? What?
The burnt meat patties. This is up to.
Okay, so I'm just gonna have a shower and go to bed because I'm quite tired. Sorry that today's video wasn't that long, but hopefully tomorrow will be a bit longer because we're not going to a water park, so I should be allowed to use my GoPro on different rides and stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.